In this lecture, we are going to talk about pointer-to-pointer variable. A pointer-to-pointer variable is a special pointer variable which stores address of yet another pointer variable. As you can see, in case of normal pointer variables, it stores address of an ordinary variable, but a pointer-to-pointer variable will store address of another pointer variable. The syntax of declaring a pointer-to-pointer variable goes like this. It should be preceded with two star symbols. So that will denote that this is not an ordinary pointer variable but pointer-to-pointer variable. That means it's going to store address of another pointer variable. So in this example, I have declared a simple variable val data type of which is int, and then I have declared this pnt, which you can see this is a simple pointer variable which will be called pointer to int. Here is the pointer to pointer variable. As you can see, ppnt is pointer to pointer variable. It is being preceded with two star symbols. So this is quite simple. In pnt is equal to ampersand val. In this statement, what I am doing is I am putting the address of this ordinary variable val into pnt. Then in the next statement, ppnt is equal to ampersand pnt. Now this is the statement to be looked into carefully. Ampersand pnt means address of the pointer variable pnt that will be stored into ppnt, which is pointer to pointer variable. So before proceeding further, let me show you a diagram. This is the diagram in which I have assumed that the address of this val variable is 9091, and when I have written in the program pnt is equal to ampersand val, what would happen is the address of this variable val will be put into pnt, and as I have assumed the address of val to be 9091, it has been put into this pnt pointer variable 9091. So far so good. But in the next statement, what I have written is ppnt is equal to ampersand pnt. That means I am storing address of this pointer variable pnt into ppnt. Now what is the address of pnt? 1011. It is getting stored into ppnt, which is termed as pointer to pointer variable. Now we, of course, all pointer variables, they are variables, right? They too will occupy space in the memory. They too will be having addresses. So similarly, ppnt is going to have some address 2021. It could be anything. All these addresses that I have assumed, they are just hypothetical addresses. They could be any addresses, and that will be decided only at runtime. So after this, I am printing address of val is equal to %u pnt. Of course, it is going to print this address 9091, which is of course address of val. Then I would write star pnt. As you know, star is value at address operator. What is contained in pnt is 9091. So the meaning will be value stored at address 9091. It will go to 9091 and see the value 1000. That will be printed, which is nothing else but value of the ordinary variable val. Now I am going to print address of pointer variable pnt, which is quite simple to do because ppnt pointer to pointer variable is containing address of pointer variable pnt. So I am simply printing ppnt. When I will print ppnt, it will simply print 1011. Now in the next statement, at 11th statement, what I am doing is I am printing star ppnt. You can evaluate this expression very easily. Now go to ppnt. ppnt is containing 1011. Star ppnt means value stored at address 1011. And what is the value stored at address 1011? 9091. Of course, which is nothing else but address of variable val. Then in the last statement, I have used star ppnt. See, first this inner expression will be evaluated, star ppnt. So as you have seen, star ppnt means value stored at address 1011. What is that? 9091. Now we have got another star, which is the outer one. So that means value stored at address 9091. What is the value stored at address 9091? 1000, which is nothing else but the value of the simple variable val. I will like to explain this once again. See, first star pp&t would be evaluated. Star pp&t would evaluate to value stored at address 1011, which is 9091. Now we are left with this outer star. So that means this will become value stored at address 9091, because star pp&t had given us 9091. So this star will be for 9091. So that means value stored at address 9091, which is 1000, which is nothing else but the value of the variable val. I would execute the program and you can see the result. Right. So this is how we can use pointer to pointer variable.